Do you ever find yourself too distracted to get any actual work done? Do you ever feel like your day is never well planned enough for it to actually be productive? This used to be me too, but by following these 4 simple tips, I am able to achieve true productivity every single day, and you can too. Hi everyone, my name's Hazal. I'm a UK medic and someone who used to be very badly organized. But today I'm here to share the tips that works for me so you too can have productive days. The number one thing that could be hindering your ability to actually get work done could be your workspace. Designating a zone in your home or workspace solely for work-related tasks can be extremely beneficial. For example, I know we can all relate to trying to study on our bed before, but it just never ends up working. And that's because our brain perceives our bed as a relaxation zone, not a study zone. And this is why we can find working in libraries quite favorable, simply because the ambience and the atmosphere forces your brain to get through your tasks. When picking out your workspaces, choose a well-lit, quiet area with minimal distractions, such as a library like I mentioned, or a quiet coffee shop or a room in your house. Before we continue, 76% of you watching this video aren't currently subscribed. Thank you very much to the 24% of you that are subscribed, and for those of you that aren't, please go down below and click that subscribe button. It really does help our channel and the content we put out. Remember that technology can be our distraction, but it can also be our friend. In this day and age where technology is absolutely everywhere, I've been able to find ways to use it to my advantage. For example, we can use website blockers on our laptops to prevent us from going on certain websites when we're studying, or we can even use apps like Hold and Forest to prevent us from using our phones when we're studying. But I've found that sometimes the issue simply is that I pick up my phone too much. I know we can all relate to this, but I must pick up my phone at least like every 10 to 15 minutes. I know it's bad. But I've recently started using widgets on my phone and it has absolutely adapted my ability to get work done. I've realized that I'm always looking at my phone and my home screen, so why don't I leverage that? So now I've got my calendar and my to-do list on my actual home screen on my phone, so I can never miss any of the tasks I need to do. Guys, this has literally changed my life. Now every time I go onto my phone, I'm reminded of my upcoming tasks and commitments, allowing me to streamline my planning process and stay organized. Obviously, this is what has worked for me, but there are thousands of student and productivity focused apps that can help you get your work done in a more efficient way. So make sure you have a browse and try out a few different apps until you find the ones that are best suited to your needs and preferences. Now, you have all probably heard that you should prioritize your tasks and do the most important tasks first and the least important tasks last. But this is actually a little difficult to implement in practice without a clear method of actually organizing your tasks. And this is where the Eisenhower matrix comes in handy. You can apply the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize your tasks based on importance and urgency. Being able to visualize my tasks helps me a lot, so I usually grab some paper on my iPad and divide it into 4 quadrants. I then label each quadrant important and urgent, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither important nor urgent. Then I'll take a list of all the tasks I need to complete that day or that week and organize them into each one of these 4 quadrants. Now you might be wondering, how do I know how important a task is or how urgent it is? Remember that important tasks are those that align with your goals, visions, and values. They have a long-term impact and contribute to your success and satisfaction. On the other hand, urgent tasks are those that demand your immediate attention and action. They have a short-term impact and often involve pressure and deadlines. Once you have completed sorting out your tasks into the different quadrants, focus on completing the tasks in the important and urgent quadrant first, and then organize time to complete the tasks in the other quadrants accordingly. This strategic prioritization helps you stay focused on high-impact activities and avoid getting bogged down by trivial tasks or distractions. One of the things that helped me the most during medical school was studying with my friends. Genuinely, guys, it was so beneficial and one of the main reasons why I was able to pass every single exam in medical school. Some of you may know the saying, a problem shared is a problem halved, and this could not be any more true. So consider forming study groups or finding an accountability partner that you can share your weekly goals and progress with. By sharing your objectives, you not only clarify what you want to accomplish, but also create a roadmap to success. You can also meet regularly with your study group or accountability partner to support each other, motivate each other, and provide valuable feedback to one another. These meetings provide you with an opportunity to reflect on your achievements, troubleshoot any obstacles you're facing, and celebrate your successes together. And please do not underestimate the value of constructive feedback. Encourage your study group members or accountability partner to provide honest feedback of your progress and performance. Whether it's pointing out areas for improvement or acknowledging your strengths, feedback helps you identify opportunities for growth and refinement. If you feel like in addition to organizing your life, you really need help with getting over study fatigue and having healthy study habits, make sure you check out this video. And of course, don't forget to comment down below what you want me to make a video on next. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in a new video next time. Bye.